everybody, it's your girl 4 Wheel Fitness, and I am here with our 14th and final lesson of our Roller Skate to Liberate month, learning all about human trafficking and how to roller skate. And now we're going to do our final beginner tutorial move to bring everything together, and it's called the beginner downtown. So what we are going to do is we are going to start by first kicking out with our right, so our right heel's on the ground and our toes pointed in the air. And what we're going to do is we're going to head to our right. So we're going to do a front crossover, back crossover, kick out to the left. Now we're going to head back to the left and we're going to do a front crossover, back crossover, kick out to the right. And now we're going to head to the right. So we're going to do a front crossover, back crossover, kick out to the left. And these are our beginner steps for learning how to do the downtown. And there you go. So it's a bunch of crossovers, moving lateral, staying in the same spot. And there we go. There you go, guys. That is your downtown. So remember, front crossover, back crossover, kick out right. We're going to head to the right, front, back, left. We're going to head to the left, back, right, head to the right. And you'll see this is a really great workout move. It'll get your blood pumping. You'll start sweating a little bit. And there you go, guys. That's your downtown. So don't forget to check out and follow Roller Skate to Liberate. Keep skating, guys. Keep following along and keep rolling. Talk to you soon.